Chevra, we're standing out here, actually we're swimming out here in a pool with Moshe from Prom Pools. Moshe, how's it feel to be swimming in the winter?
Ganz Geschmack.
Ganz Geschmack. Can I jump into the pool with you?
I want to jump, but just
Chevra, this is a cover to a full pool. Oh my, you sure can hold my weight?
Yeah.
I guess we'll find out. We'll find out. So Chevra, we're here in a pool. Wow. Tell me a little about what Prom Pools does.
So we service pools, we install pools, we do regular weekly maintenance, we do repairs, renovations, anything you need with a pool.
So if somebody thinks of a pool, Prom Pools got you covered from A to Z.
A to Z.
Now, oh, there it goes again. She'll tell me a little in a minute what that is. When that's from pools, you're talking about Brooklyn, Muncie, upstate,
all over. The
Lakewood.
Tri-state area for installing, repairs, we'll go all over.
All over. Piz Okeechobee?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because there's a half minute Okeechobee, people can put up pools in the backyards. Okay.
If we get a call, we'll go.
If they get a call, they go. Very good.
Before we open it, we have a pump over here.
That pump over there, what does it do?
So this pump is you leave it on here, it's automatic. Whenever water gets on here, it'll automatically pump it off.
Jeez, so it sprays all the water off when it fills up enough water. Nice. Like that water doesn't sit on it.
You don't want water sitting on it. You need to be able to, you can't have too much water on it when you open it up.
Beautiful. So that's part of your package also, a pump.
Part of the package.
Nice.
Off the cover now.
Now you're opening
the switch over there.
That's it, a switch of a button.
It's a guide.
It's a guide over there. The switch of a button and the whole thing moves. Just crazy. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Can you imagine with a push of a button, the whole cover comes off? So call safety.
Safety. So one of the models of this is safety. So we're able to stand on this. Knock-on model is it doesn't let any dirt in. This is closed. This pool has been closed like this for
4 months.
For a few months already. And look at the water. The water is crystal clear.
Crystal clear. Wow. Whatever schmitz is from still from the summer before.
It's from a little bit maybe could get in there, but yeah.
Wow.
But the other covers, you open it up after the winter and it's garbage. It's black. It's green.
It's black. Have a crystal clear through the winter is amazing. And the safety, I think it's the most amazing thing that you stay safe. You're not scared about anything. You close it.
Close it.
Whenever you're not using it, you close it.
Keep it closed. It'll maintain the heat better also, so it helps you for your gas bill.
Oh, that's cool.
It doesn't let the heat out as much. And you close it, and it has a lock on the switch, so kids can't open it. You need a key for it.
Beautiful. Wow. Cool. Show me human. Let me hear a little about this pool. It's a gorgeous pool. How does it work? A guy called you up, sat down with you, make me a pool. Where do you start?
First of all, we got this pool. We designed everything. Of course, they get to pick what colors they want, what design they want, how they want the pool laid out. But this pool has one extra feature more than a regular pool or old pool. This sun deck, if you see, it's a drop higher than this regular shower.
I see that. It's like a nice step over here.
Right. So this step is meant to have lounging chairs if you would like.
Really?
During the summer, you can lounge inside and you won't be fully submerged in the water.
So you made a nice big, I'd say 6-foot step over here. Then you could just put chairs and make a circle and chill here in the summer. Yeah. You could splash your feet in the water.
Exactly.
Very cool.
It's also very good for the younger kids. If they can't swim all the way into the end, they have a sitting area where they can play.
You keep them over here in the front.
To drop more secure.
Very nice. Wow. Beautiful. So he called you up, I want a pool, you designed it, you let him pick the colors, but obviously you go from the beginning, the design, until maintaining it week by week.
Correct. Till the last bit, maintenance, repairs, whatever is going to happen from here on, we're going to be taking care of it. It's your baby.
You're taking care of it. Winter, summer, whenever he needs any repairs, whenever he needs any detail on it, you're here. Correct. Wow, that's amazing. I love the design around, I love the pool, the color, the look. It's really, really nice and classy. That means filters, chlorine.
This is actually a salt system. It's not a chlorinated pool. It is chlorinated, but it's produced through salt. It's regular chlorine. It's just produced differently.
Got it. Wow.
We're putting in this pool. It's a new pool. We're still putting in one feature. We're putting in a water slide.
A water slide?
You slide right into the deep end.
Nice.
It's going to be put in within the next
couple of weeks. Just have me pictures. I want to see that slide over there. Now, how does it work with all the equipment? Where's the equipment? The filters and all that?
Here, you don't see it anywhere.
I don't see anything over here.
We had it. We put it away in our corner, and back in the pool house. I'm going to like Dallas.
So everything's in the pool house?
Not in the pool house, right behind the pool house.
Oh wow! So the whole system's over there, away from the eye. So when you're sitting in the backyard, you don't see anything.
The heater, the filter, the pump.
Beautiful.
So salt system, this one.
That's the whole salt system. Very cool. Very
automation,
cool.
So all you can control everything from your phone over here. This is all with Wi-Fi hooked up. I have access to it. You don't have to be busy. This is all.
So the heater The opening, closing it, everything controlled from your phone.
Not the cover, because for safety purposes,
Okay.
the cover can be done remotely. You have to be able to see the pool. But anything else, the filter, the heater, you can do everything from your phone. The lights.
Super cool. Lights in the pool.
The lights in the pool, the lights out of the pool, everything.
Very cool. Very cool.
Let me show you, we have here some samples. We have some liners, all different stuff you can choose from. These are some new ones this year. 9 liners,
Beautiful.
all different styles. When you call us, you want a pool or you want just a new liner, we'll go through all the options here.
So what I like about your company is that you can do anything. If somebody just wants a liner, you just wants a filter, you just wants this, that, you do anything.
You just
From building a full pool, just doing a little minimum work on the pool.
Here you have all different style pools that we could do. Anything, like you have different type of steps, you have different shape pools, whatever type you want. You have these type of steps, the older style.
Wow.
Any style pool you want, you call us, we could do anything.
Yeah, the issue is I'm a bar parker. We wish we could have pools. What could you tell to the bar park items? So obviously there are people with bigger houses that do have pools. But what's with the now?
You don't have a place, you could do a hot tub.
You do hot tubs as well?
Hot tubs, we could do a swim spa, which is basically a big hot tub which has a machine that pushes the water towards you, so that you don't need a big place. It's basically like a treadmill in water.
A treadmill in water.
Swim in one place.
So you can do laps in one spot. So you can have a pool of 8x8, 8x5, and you're good.
And you're good. Yeah.
Wow, so you do hot tubs and all that for bar park people who want, have a little porch or a little backyard and want to do that. Beautiful. Let's go it over one more time. You service tri-state area, Muncie, upstate, down to local Chobi, Metzashem.
Yeah.
Kevin, book Prom Pool. The phone number is
732-526-6416. Call, text, WhatsApp, whatever you want.
Kevin, call, text, WhatsApp. You got these two great guys over here, Shulman Newman and Moishi Friedman, and they got you covered when it comes to pools. They know what they're doing. Kevin, let's count down the days to the summer, huh?
Yeah. If you want your pool for the summer, call us now.
Exactly.
I'll have it in time.
We're running very tight on time.
Yeah, so you got
only 2 months away from Pesach. So if you would like your new pool for this season, the time is now.
Kevin, the time is right now. Schon overbooked right now.
Yeah.
Achshav, book it.